Hey boys and girls, my name is Matt Comer. I'm Knoxville, Tennessee's Dean of Fun, and today we are going to practice some sight words. I'm a kindergarten teacher here in Knoxville, Tennessee, and I know that sight words are super important for learning how to read, but they're also super important when we are learning how to write. And if you can write them, then you can read them. So let's go ahead and practice writing them, shall we? We're going to practice 2 words today. The first word is going to be is, and the second word is going to be have. Let's go ahead and get started. So grab a whiteboard and marker, or a piece of paper and some pencils, or colored pencils, or whatever you want to. It doesn't matter to me, as long as we have some fun. So let's start our lesson, shall we? Okay, so for our next word, the next word's going to have 2 letters in it. I'm going to write down the word. I want you to see if you can read it. Do you know what this word is? The word is. That's right, is. Now the weird thing about this word is, when you say is, it sounds like the S is making a Z sound, is. And that's why it's a high frequency word, because it's such a tricky word. It's not is, okay? So you gotta learn how to write this word. It's super tricky. We're going to get our finger pencils out, sharpen them up. I-S is. Remember, it makes that Z sound, kind of. Is. All right, so I-S is. Now, you're going to cover your eyes when I tell you to. We're going to count down 3, 2, 1. I'm going to tell you to open them, and you're going to try to figure out which letter I erased. Are you ready? No peeking. Okay. Cover your eyes, and 3, 2, 1, open. What letter did I erase? If you said I, then you were correct. Far away high five. Psh, nice work. I-S spells is. Let's sharpen our finger pencil up one more time. I-S is. Okay, I'm going to erase another letter this time. So cover your eyes, and we're going to count down 3, 2, 1. Open them. You didn't peek, did you? You better not. What letter did I erase? If you said S, then you are correct. You're so smart. Sharpen our finger pencils. 1, 2, 3. I-S spells is. Now, what we're going to do next is I'm going to erase my board, and when I erase it, that's when you are going to try to write the word all by yourself. You can use a whiteboard, you can use a piece of paper, you can use foam, you can use sand, you can make it out of blades of grass, whatever you want to do, but you got like 30 seconds to do it, okay? You can make it out of Legos. Hey, whatever you want to do. Be creative with it. Construction paper. Oh my goodness, the list goes on and on. Okay, so take a good look at it. I-S spells is. When I erase it, you can go. Are you ready? Go. Spell the word is and go. You got 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Seconds to write the word is. Are you going to do it? I don't know. I think you will. Now, if you're sitting beside somebody right now, don't let them copy off you. Don't let them steal your brain, your hard work. And you cover that up. That was pretty close to 30 seconds, wasn't it? Okay, sure. Who's counting? Okay, so show me your board. If you spelled is I-S, then you are correct. Woo! Okay, good job. Probably high five in 3, 2, 1. Psh. You're so smart. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and write down a word, And what I want you to do is I want you to try to read it. So let's see if you can read this first word. Okay. Do you know what word this is? If you said have, then you are correct. Go ahead and take your finger pencils out, sharpen them. What we're going to do is we're going to spell the word have with our fingers first. H-A-V-E. Have. Now we're going to play a little game. I'm going to ask you to close your eyes, and I'm going to count down 3, 2, 1, and then you're going to tell me which letters I erase, okay? So let's make sure you know what the letters are first. This word is have, H-A-V-E, have. All right, I want you to close your eyes, and 3, 2, 1, open them. What 2 letters did I erase? If you said H and A, then you were correct. Let's get our finger pencils out one more time, sharpen them. H-A-V-E spells have. Okay, close your eyes again, and 3, 2, 1, open them. What 2 letters did I erase this time? If you said the E, then you are correct. Let's get our finger pencils out again. Sharpen them up. Here we go. H-A-V-E. Have. All right, I'm going to erase 2 more letters one last time. Here we go. Close your eyes. 3, 2, no peeking. 1, open them. What letters did I erase? I'll give you a hint. They're both vowels. The A and the E. Yes. H-A-V-E spells have. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to let you look at it for a couple seconds, but when I erase my board, that's when I want you to try to write it all by yourself. Okay? You can use a whiteboard, you can use a piece of paper, whichever one you want to use. I don't care. It doesn't matter. You can use shaving cream, you can use sand. It doesn't matter. All right, take a good look at it. H-A-V-E spells have. When I erase my board, I want you to write it by yourself. Okay, are you ready? Go. We'll give you like 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Oh, false alarm. Keep on working. Okay, time is up. Show me your board. You are so smart. Oh my goodness, you're so smart. Give yourself a high five to the head. Shh. Yes, have is spelled H-A-V-E. And there you have it. The word have. Okay, good job, boys and girls.